Right. So let's start. Good evening, all. Right. So this session, this is the first cover-up session. No? This is the first cover-up session for Vattala Faraday students, because last Sunday we couldn't do the class because Sinhala and Tamil New Year, and also next Sunday, due to Easter Sunday, we won't be able to do the class. So this is the first cover-up session. So today is Tuesday, no? Tuesday 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is the first cover-up session, and tomorrow we will be having our next cover-up session. It will be started at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Right? Yeah, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And the special thing is this month is free, right? The month April is totally free. No fees will be charged. So you can come to the class without any payment, right? So you can join today and tomorrow for our online sessions. And last Sunday, I think 27th of April, you can join physically at Faraday Vattala. It will be also a free session, right? And it is a physical session, okay? Right, so this is for Faraday Vattala students. Right, so in our last session, I think we started long division, right? We did long division. So today I will do from long division, right? I will explain it again, long division. So you can take a note. I will explain it. So our first topic was mathematical operators, okay? Mathematical operators. Under that topic, the last topic was, under the mathematical operators, the last topic was long division. Not long division, it is division, right? Division. And we discussed about long division, right? We discussed about long division, right? So let's refresh our memory. What is long division? So when we using long division to divide expressions, we use something like this, right? Inside this, we will write an expression, and outside this thing, we write another expression, right? When we dividing, there will be an expression here, and finally there will be an expression in this position, right? So what are the names? What are the terms that we name these expressions, right? This one is known as remainder, right? This is known as remainder, and this is known as dividend, right? This is called dividend, and this one, it is divisor, right? This is called divisor, dividend, and this one is the quotient, right? This is called quotient. So first of all, you have to know these terms, right? So there are 4 specific terms that you have to know when you are using long division, right? Right. So that's the first thing. And there is another thing. We did these things. We did these things in our last session at Faraday Vattala. So I am redoing them to refresh the memory. Okay. Right. So there are some special points. Not many. There are 2 special points that we have to follow. There are 2 special points that we have to follow when we using long division, right? When we are using long division, there are 2 special points that we have to follow. What are they? Special points. What are they? First point. First one, arrange. We have to arrange. I will write them. Arrange divisor and dividend. Arrange both divisor and dividend. That means these two expressions, right? Before writing these places, we have to arrange these divisors and dividend. How? We have to arrange both divisor and dividend in the descending order. In the descending order of their power. In the descending order of their power. That means we have to rearrange the given divisor and dividend both. We have to apply this point to the both divisor and dividend, right? What is that? We have to rearrange divisor and dividend when we are writing the divisor and dividend in these positions. We have to rearrange them in the descending order. That means decreasing, right? Descending means decreasing order. Decreasing order of their power, right? So let's write an example. Let's write an example here. Right. Now let's write an example. Okay. So let's imagine this is the given divisor or dividend. Right. Now I am writing an expression. Let's suppose that's the given divisor or dividend. Right. That's the given divisor or dividend. So it is given like this. So this is the divisor or dividend, right? Divisor or dividend, right? So now we are going to write this divisor or dividend in these two positions, right? Right. So before writing, when you're writing this expression in that positions, you have to rearrange this like this. How? First, the highest power is minus 4x cubed. After that, 2x squared. After that, minus x. At last, you have to put 5. Okay, the constant term, right? So you have to rearrange like this. Okay, that is first point. So write it. And next, the second point. Second point. Second point. If there are missing terms in divisor or dividend, if there are missing terms in divisor or dividend, what we have to do? Replace them with a zero coefficient. Replace them with a zero coefficient. I will explain them. I will explain it. Replace them with a zero coefficient. Okay. Example. Let's write an example. So again, now I will write an expression. That's the given divisor or dividend, right? Again, that's the given divisor or dividend. Okay. 7x to the power 4 minus 2x squared. Sorry, 2x cubed plus x minus 2. So this is the divisor or dividend, right? This is the divisor or dividend. divisor or dividend. Now we are going to put this in the long division. So when we are writing this, here look at the divisor or dividend. Look at this expression. X to the power 4 is there. Third power also there. But the second power, x squared term, is not there. There is no any x squared term here. So what we have to do? We have to rearrange like this. 7x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed. That is okay. And next term, x squared term, you have to write like this. You have to replace that x squared term with a 0 coefficient, right? Like this, right? This is the thing that you have to do. After that, plus x minus 2, right? So when you are using long division, if there are any missing term, you have to replace that term. You have to replace that term with a 0 coefficient, right? There is a reason for that. So just follow that point, follow that step. And I will give another example. So in this example, you have to use both points, right? You have to follow both points. The order also is not okay with this expression. And there are some missing terms, more than one. No? There are more than one missing terms. So you have to rearrange the given expression now. So this is the divisor. This is the divisor or dividend, right? This is the divisor or dividend. Now try this. Rearrange this. Right. So how can we rearrange this? The highest power is fifth power, right? So you have to write first fifth power, then x to the power 4 term is not there. X to the power 4 term is not there. So we have to replace it with a 0 coefficient. After that, x cubed term, it is there. So write it. After that, x squared term is not there. Replace it with 0 coefficient. After that, x term, and finally the constant term. So these two terms are the replaced terms. Okay, so that's it. So you have to follow these two steps. when you are using long division, right? You have to follow these steps, right? Okay, now let's move on to the tute. So this is the tute. I think some of you don't have this tute, but I have sent the photos of the sums that we are going to discuss today. I think they are with you. If you haven't got the problems, that photos of the sums, please let me know. If you haven't got the photos of the images of the problems, please let me know. I have sent them to into the respective groups. I think you have them. Right now. Okay, so first one, question number 4. Divide the first expression from the second expression. Okay, I will share them to the group.
Sir,
Right. I have sent the sums to the group, to the meeting, to the Zoom meeting. Now you can go through them, right? You can go through them. Right. Right. So let's start from fourth question. First one, long division. I think you can find the questions. You can find the questions. Please go through the images. Right. First one, now we are going to divide. Divided by x plus 2, right? This one, this expression is going to divided by x plus 2, right? So this is called divisor and this is known as the dividend, right? So how can we divide now using long division? First, consider the first terms. First term of the dividend, first term of the divisor, x squared and x. We have to make, we have to prepare this x squared using x. We have to prepare this x squared using x by a multiplication. So to get x squared, x should be multiplied by what? To get x squared, x should be multiplied by what? By x, right? By x, right? That's it. By x. After that, so you have to put x here, right? To get x squared, you have to multiply x by another x. After that, what you have to do? Multiply this whole divisor, this x plus 2 by x, and write the answer in here. So x into x, it is x squared, x into plus 2, x into plus 2, what is the answer? Plus 2x. You have to write them here. After that, subtract. After that, you know, in long division, usually we do subtraction, right? We do subtraction here. So x squared minus x squared, what is the answer? It is 0. X squared minus x squared, it is 0. Okay. 4x minus 2x. What is the answer? 4x minus 2x. It is plus 2x. Okay. It is plus 2x plus 4. Here, there are no values here, no value here, but you have to imagine the value in this position is 0, right? We have to imagine there is a 0 here. So 4 minus 0 does not change. It is 0, right? It is 0. After that, what you have to do? Repeat the first step that we did. You have to repeat it here. That means now you have to consider 2x, the first term of this expression, and first term of the divisor. You have to prepare 2x using x by a multiplication. So to get 2x, x should be multiplied by what? To get 2x, x multiplied by plus 2, okay, plus 2, because x is there, no? Plus 2. After that, 2 multiplied by this whole divisor, 2 multiplied by this whole divisor, and the answer should be written here. So 2x plus 4, no? 2 into x, it is 2x. 2 into plus 2, it is plus 4. Again, subtract, you will get 0. You will get 0, right? That means the remainder, it is 0. Divisor, it is x plus 2. Dividend, it is x squared plus 4x plus 4. And the quotient, it is also x plus 2. So you have to write these 4 terms, right? After dividing, you have to write these 4 expressions as well, right? So that's the first one. After that, try second one. I'll give you 2 minutes. Now the images are in the group, in the meeting chat. You can get them there.
So how to get the PDF of it?
Right. After that, try second one. Okay. The second one, question number 2. X cube plus 3x minus 7. So that's the given dividend. That's the given dividend. And the divisor is x minus 2. Right? Now divide. Start to divide. X cube is the first term in the dividend and x is the first term of the divisor. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to make x cube using x. We have to make x cube using x by a multiplication. So to get x cube, x should be multiplied by what? By x squared. Okay. By x squared. After that, what we have to do? X squared into this whole divisor. X squared into this whole divisor. And the answer should be written here. X cube minus 2x squared. Right? And now subtract. X cube minus x cube. Yeah, it is 0. But there is a small issue here. 3x minus x squared. There is an x squared term here. But this term is x term. And here we have x squared term. So there is a small issue, right? So what is the case? So that's why I told you the second point. In this dividend, as you can see, x cube term is there, but x squared term is not there, right? So what we have to do when we writing that dividend here, we have to replace that x squared term with a 0 coefficient, right? With a 0 coefficient, right? We have to replace that x squared term with a 0 coefficient. That's the thing that we have to do, right? And now we can divide. So now put x squared here, x squared into x minus 2, x cube minus 2x squared, and now subtract. Now it is okay, x cube minus x cube and x squared terms are there. And now tell me what is the answer here? What is the subtraction? Now tell me now. Send me the answer through the chat. Zoom chat. What is the difference here? This one minus this one. What is the answer? Right? Send me the answer to the chat, into the chat. Anyone? One has sent the answer, x squared minus 2x squared. What is the answer? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. All are saying minus 2. I think minus 2x squared, no? Here, what's happening here? 0x squared and minus 2x squared. These are the two terms. And now what we are going to do with these two terms? Are we going to add them, add these two terms, or are we going to subtract these two terms? This is the first second term and this is the first term. And what is the operator that we have to put here? Plus or minus? Now we are going to subtract, no? This one minus this one, no? So like this, right? This one minus this one. Then 0x squared plus 2x squared. What is the answer? Plus 2x squared, okay? Plus 2x squared, right? I think it's clear now. You have to change the sign of second term. You have to change the sign of second term and add the two terms. Add. After that you can add. But before that, first of all, you have to change the sign of second term. Second term. This is the first term and this is the second term. And you have to change the sign of the second term. After that you can add. And These are okay because the second term is now 0. Now repeat the first step again. 2x squared using x. We have to get 2x squared using x by a multiplication. So x should be multiplied by what? To get 2x squared, x should be multiplied by 2x, right? 2x, right? After that, 2x multiplied by this whole divisor. Then write 2x squared here and minus 4x. And now what is the answer here? 2x squared minus 2x squared, it is 0. And what about here? 3x minus minus 4x. Then you have to change the sign of second term. You have to change the sign of second term. Then this minus 4x becomes plus 4x. After that, you can add that second term with the first term after changing the sign. After changing the sign, this minus 4x is now plus 4x, no? And add it with plus 3x. Then it becomes plus 7x. And I will show it. 3x minus minus 4x. 3x minus minus 4x. Then 3x plus 4x, no? 3x plus 4x. Then the answer becomes plus 7x. And now repeat the first step again, 7x using x. So x should be multiplied by plus 7. Okay. Then multiply this divisor by this plus 7. Then 7x minus 14. And now tell me what is the remainder here? After subtracting these two expressions, what is the answer? It is, yeah, it is plus 7. Yeah, it is plus 7, right? Now you got the point. You have to change the sign of the second term. Then this minus 14 becomes plus 14. And you after that, you can add it with, add that changed term, sign changed term plus 14 with minus 7. Then you will get plus 7, right? As the remainder. So you have to write the remainder, divisor, dividend, and the quotient, right? Okay, now you can try the other questions. Third one, fourth one, up to 10th one. Okay, first try third one. In third one also there is the x squared term is not there in third one also in the dividend. So replace that x squared term and after that you can divide. Okay, right. Hurry up. So I will give you 3-4 minutes. After that I will start. Okay, hurry up. Right. So I will start from third one. So you can send me the remainder for third one, fourth one, then you can check your answers. So you can send me the remainder. No need to send the whole quotient. If you can send the quotient. Otherwise, you can just send me the remainder in the group chat, meeting chat. Okay, I will start. So third one.
Sir, having a doubt.
So to get 2x cube, then in third one also x squared term is not there, so we have to replace it with a zero coefficient. We have to note down it.
Sir,
And
why 2x
2x
squared?
cube, no? X multiplied by 2x squared. Then we can get 2x cube.
Sir, why
After
2x
that, what we
squared?
have to do? 2x squared into this whole divisor, right? This whole divisor. Then you will get 2x cube plus 2x squared. And here, subtract this one minus this one. 2x cube minus 2x cube, it will get 0. Here, what is the answer? Change the sign of the second term. Then this plus 2x squared becomes minus 2x squared. Then you can add it with plus 0x squared. Then you will get minus 2x squared because we have to change the sign now. I will show you again. Minus plus 2x squared. Then 0x squared minus 2x squared. Then the answer is minus 2x squared. Right? That's very simple. Then bring these terms also. Repeat the first step again. Minus 2x. Right? So x should be multiplied by minus 2x to get minus 2x squared. After that, multiply this whole divisor by 2x, minus 2x. Again, subtract 0 minus this one. First, what we have to do? Change the sign. Change the sign of the second term. Then this minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Add it with minus 3x. Then you will get minus x plus 1. Because here we have 0. No? So 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Repeat the first step again. Minus 1. To get minus x, x should be multiplied by minus 1. Okay. X should be multiplied by minus 1. After that, minus 1 into this whole divisor, minus x minus 1. Then subtract 0. And here, 1 and 1. So don't write it is the remainder as 0. Okay. Because there is a remainder. You have to change. How can we subtract this? What is the process? You have to change the sign of the second term. Then it will become plus 1. After that, you can add 1 plus 1. Then plus 2. Plus 2 is the remainder. Okay. Yeah, plus 2 is the remainder. Plus 2 is the remainder. Plus 2 is the remainder. Okay. So fourth one. After that, try fourth one. Now the dividend is okay. In fourth one, the dividend is okay. It is divided by 2x plus 1. Okay. So now here we have to get 2x squared using 2x. So to get 2x squared, 2x should be multiplied by x. Okay. Just x. So write x here and x into this whole divisor. 2x squared plus x. Then subtract. It is 8x, no? 9x minus x. It is 8x, no? Plus 4. What now? 8x using 2x. So 2x multiplied by plus 4. Right? Plus 4. 4 into 2x plus 1. Again subtract. Then you will get 0 as the remainder. So that's the fourth one. Right. So in fifth one, as you can see, the order is not okay. So you have to consider the order also, right? In fifth one, you have to prepare the dividend, rearrange the dividend in the descending order of their power. And also there are some missing terms. You have to replace them with zero coefficient. Okay, now try. Okay, the fifth one. So in fifth one, prepare the order also. 4x cube, and x squared term is not there, minus 3x plus 5, and 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Right? Now put 2x here. Because sorry, not 2x, 2x squared to get 4x cube, 2x multiplied by 2x squared. Then 4x cube minus 6x squared. Subtract. Here, what we have to do? Change the sign of the second term. Then you will get 6x squared minus 3x plus 5. After that, what we have to do? 6x squared using 2x. So 2x multiplied by 3x. Then after that, multiply this 2x minus 3 by 3x. Then you will get 6x squared minus 9x. Subtract. This one minus this one. Then this becomes plus 9x plus 6x plus 5. Right? Change the sign of the second term. Then this becomes plus 9. After that, add it with minus 3. Then you will get plus 6x plus 6x. Okay, then repeat the first step again. Plus 3 to get 6x, multiply 2x multiplied by 3, no? After that, 3 multiplied by this whole divisor. Then you will get 6x minus 9. Again, subtract. Change the sign of second term. Then this becomes plus 9. Add it with the first term. Plus 9 plus 5, it is plus 14. Plus 14. That is fifth one. Right? Then sixth one, I will do sixth one also. Zero x to the power 4. Then minus 12x to the power 4. X multiplied by minus 12x cube. Okay. Then minus 12x cube into x plus 3. X 4 minus 36x cube. Then subtract. Here, change the sign of the second term and add it with minus 30. Then you will get plus 6x cube minus 50x minus 2. What next? 6x cube. We have to get 6x cube. Then x multiplied by plus 6x squared. 18x squared. Then subtract again. Minus 18x squared minus 50x minus 2. Again put minus 18x here into this one. Minus 54x. Subtract. You will get plus 4x minus 2. And put 4 here. 4x plus 12. And subtract. The remainder you will get minus 40. Minus 40. Right. Then 7th, 8th. So in 7th one, as you can see, the divisor, the highest power of the divisor has been increased by 1 because the highest power is 2. X squared term is there. So write it x squared minus 4x plus 3. Then x to the power 4 into, to prepare x to the power 4, x squared multiplied by x squared, right? Then x squared into whole divisor, x4 minus 4x cube plus 3x squared. And subtract. Then you will get minus x cube, this one minus this one, plus 3x squared, plus 0x minus 7. Right? Here, what's happened? Change the sign of minus 4x cube, then it becomes plus 4x cube. Then add it with minus 5. Minus 5 plus 4, it is minus 1, no? So minus x cube. Okay, then prepare minus x cube again. X squared multiplied by minus x, right? X squared multiplied by minus x into whole divisor. Then subtract. Then you will get minus x squared plus 3x minus 7. Again minus 1. Minus x minus 4. So that's it, right? Here we cannot make minus x using an x squared. Here we cannot make minus x using an x squared. So that's it. So that this is the remainder, right? We have to stop from here. This is the device. Sorry, this is the remainder, final remainder. Okay, that is x minus, minus x minus 4 is the remainder. Okay, now try 8th. So in 8th one, look at the divisor. It is x squared minus 3. And there, as you can see, x term is not there. X term is not there. So what you have to do? Replace that x term with a 0 coefficient, right? So in device also you have to do that. Not only in dividend, right? In device also, if there are missing terms, you have to replace them with 0 coefficient, right? Because I have given you for both device and dividend, right? For both device and dividend, if there are some missing terms, you have to replace them with a 0 coefficient. Okay, so that's the point. So when you are doing 8th, replace the coefficient with a 0 coefficient. Replace the x term with a 0 coefficient. Okay, do it. I will do eighth one. And x to the power 4 is not there. X cube also not there. Then 3x squared minus 6x divided by x squared plus 0x minus 3. Two x cube, right? To get 2x to the power 5, you have to multiply this x squared by 2x cube. Okay, 2x cube into this whole divisor plus 0x to the power 4 minus 6x cube. This one minus this 0, this one minus this again 0. What about here? Change the sign of the second term, then you will get plus 6x cube and add it with 0. You will get same 6x cube. 3x squared minus 6x. And 6x cube using x squared. So x multiplied by plus 6x. 6x into whole divisor plus 0x squared minus 18x. Minus this one 0. This one minus this one 3x squared. Here change the sign of the second term. You will get plus 18x and add it with minus 6. Then you will get plus 12x. Right? Now 3x squared. Yeah, we can make x squared. Sorry, 3x squared using x squared. So x squared multiplied by plus 3. Okay, 3 into whole divisor 3x squared. 3 into 0x. It is 0x. Okay. 3 into minus 3, it is minus 9. Now tell me what is the remainder here. Tell me the remainder here. For eighth one, what is the remainder? Tell me. What is the remainder in eighth one? What is the remainder in eighth one? Send me. Hurry up, hurry up. You can tell me the answer by looking at these parts. What is the remainder? Well, x. This one minus this one, yeah, it is 12x. That is okay. That is fine. But what about here? You have to change the sign of the second term because here the second term is minus 9 and the first term is 0. It is above minus 9. Here there is a 0 here. 0 minus minus 9. 0 minus minus 9. Okay. Then you have to change the second term. Change the sign of the second term. Then it will become plus 9. It becomes plus 9. Then you will get 12x plus 9, not minus 9. Right? It is 12x plus 9. I think it's clear, right? Because 0 is there, okay? Here 0 is there. So 0 minus minus 9. Then plus 9 is the answer. Plus 9 is the answer, right? Okay. Now I will do ninth one also. After that, we can move the next topic. I will do ninth one. Right. Try ninth one. Right. I will do ninth one. So you have to rearrange the order x to the power 4, 5x cube, 0x plus 7. And now the highest power of the divisor, is 3. Okay. So x cube plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 1. And now x to the power 4 using x cube. So x cube multiplied by x. After that, x into this whole divisor plus 2x cube plus 6x squared minus x. Then subtract. Minus this one, it is 3x cube. This one minus this, it is minus 9x squared. This one minus this, change the sign, plus, then plus x plus 7. Now 3x cube, x cube multiplied by plus 3, no? Then we can get 3x cube. After that, 3 into whole divisor, then you will get 3x cube plus 6x squared plus 18x minus 3. Again subtract. Minus this minus 15x squared minus 17x plus 10. So that's it. We cannot we cannot get 15x squared using an x cube term, right? So we have to stop from there. So this is the remainder. Divisor, quotient, and the dividend, right? Okay. So the mathematical operators are over now. After that, the second topic, that is expansions. Now we are going to discuss about expansions. Right. Write the topic. Topic number 2. Second topic, expansions. Okay. Write down this if you have any errors. Make them correct. So you can try the last question. I think there is no any issue with that question. So you can try it at home. Now come to our next topic, expansions. Right. So first put A and write A plus B squared and A minus B squared. Now we are going to find out how to expand A plus B squared and A minus B squared. A plus B squared and A minus B squared. Okay. Look at the board now. A plus B squared. Look at the board now. A plus B squared. Right. What is A plus B squared? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of x squared? X squared means x multiplied by x. Right? That's it. So here also A plus B whole thing squared. A plus B whole thing squared means A plus B multiplied by A plus B. A plus B multiplied by A plus B. And now expand this. A into A, it is A squared. A into B, it is AB. B into A. B into A, it is also AB. B into B, it is B squared. Right? So A plus B whole thing squared, you will get A squared 2AB plus b squared. So this is the formula. This is the formula. A plus b whole thing squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Right? Then after that, a minus b squared. A minus b into a minus b. A into a squared. A into minus b minus ab. Minus b into a minus ab. Minus b into minus b. It is plus b squared. Right? Minus b into minus b, it is plus b squared. So a minus b whole thing squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Right? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So you can use these expansions as formulas. Okay, you can directly use, no need to write these steps. You can directly apply to get the expansions. Okay, right. Okay, write down first. Right. Okay, now come to the tute. Next problem set. In the tute, it is page number 3, question number 1. Expand the following expressions. Expand the following expressions. So first one, I will do a plus 2b whole thing squared. So here you can use this formula. So what is the formula? Square, here first term is a. So in the expansion, the first term is square of first term, a squared. After that, 2 plus 2. You have to put a 2 additionally, right? Additionally, 2 first term into second term, a into b. A is the first term, b is the second term. After that, plus b squared, square of the second term, right? Square of the second term. Now apply that formula, a squared 2 times a into 2b plus 2b squared, right? Square of the second term. Now the second term is 2b. Yeah? So this, that square, that power belongs to both. Belongs both 2 and b, not only b, right? So you cannot write like this, 2b squared. This is wrong. Here the power belongs only for b, right? Not 2b, not for 2b, right? So here the square of second term, no? We have to put the square of the second term. Now the second term is 2b. So you have to put the square, put that power like this. You have to use a bracket. Don't write like this, right? This is wrong. This is totally wrong, right? This is totally wrong. And what is the answer? First term is a squared here. 2 into 2, 4. 4ab plus, and here also you'll get 4b squared, right? 4b squared. Don't write like this, huh? Keep that in your mind. Write like that. Okay. Then second one, I will do second one also. 3x minus y whole thing squared. Here, what we have to do? Now, square of the first term. Again, you have to use the brackets, okay? Square of the second term. And when there is a minus sign in between the two terms, you have to put minus sign here. So that's the only difference between these two expansions. So let's put minus sign. After that, first term into second term. 3x into y. 3x into y, okay, plus y squared. And now the simplification part. First, we can substitute, we can replace the values. After that, we can simplify them, okay. So what is the answer here? 9x squared, and here we'll get 6xy plus y squared. So that's the second one, okay. I will do third one also. Third, fourth. 2x minus 3y how we can do this? Square of first term minus 2 times 2x into 3y plus square of 3y. So here we get 4x squared, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12xy plus 9y squared. Okay, plus 9y squared. Plus 9y squared. Then fourth one, squared minus 2 times a squared into 5, right? 2 times a squared into 5 plus 5 squared. So here what happens? You will get a to the power 4, right? And what is the answer here? Minus 10a squared plus 25. Okay. So first do these 4 questions, 4 sums. After that, try these questions. No need to try all the questions. Just try the questions I'm giving here. 5th, 6th, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. So in 13th question, there is an error. No, not in 13th. In 14th. In 14th question, it should be like this. Here you have to correct it. 1 over a minus 2a cube square. Right? 14th one should be like this. The given one is an erroneous one. So in 14th, do this one. Okay. Try the given questions. Just do them. They are very easy one. Easy sounds. So just do them. Right. I will start. Right. Fifth one. L squared minus M squared whole thing squared. Then sixth one. Xy into 4 plus 4 squared. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 4, 24. Plus 16. And ninth. Ten. It's 9y squared. 10th one. After that, try number 11. Here, x into 1 over x, they get cancelled. Then you will get plus 2 here. And 1 over x squared. 11. This then 12 plus 1 over b, all things. Plus 1 over b squared. 12. After that, 13. 13 is a over 2 plus 2 over a squared. Squared plus 2 times a over 2 into 2 over a plus 2 over a whole thing squared. Then you'll get 2 here. 4 over a squared. So you can check your answers. 13. Then last one, 14th. One over a minus 2a cube squared minus 2 times 1 over a 2a cube plus square of 2a cube. So here you will get minus 4 and a cube. A cube is in the numerator, a is denominator, then you will get 4a squared. And what about here? 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. And what about the square of a cube? Hmm? What's the power of the final answer? It is 5 or 6. Power should be 6. Because in these cases, you have to multiply the powers. You cannot add here because this is called power of power. In this case, you have to add, you have to multiply the numbers. 3 into 2, not 3 plus 2, right? Not 3 plus 2, you have to multiply them. 3 into 2, it is 6. So this is the final answer for 14th one. A squared. A plus B whole thing squared. A plus B whole thing squared. Right? So after that, we can move on to the next expansion. It is a new one. Okay, let's do it. Right. Okay, then write the next one, B, the second expansion type, second expansion. It is a new one. A plus B plus C squared. Now the square of 3 terms, addition of 3 terms, and its variations. And its variations. Okay. So write down that. A plus B plus C whole thing squared. Right? Okay, so how can we do this? So we know using the usual definitions, right? The general definitions we can write like this: A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. Okay. Now what? Just remove the brackets. Okay. A multiplied by A, it is A squared. A multiplied by plus B, it is AB. A multiplied by plus C, it is AC. Okay. After that, B into A, it is also AB. B into B, it is B squared. B into C, it is plus BC. After that, with C, right? With C. C into A, it is AC. C into B, it is BC. C into C, it is C squared. A plus B plus C whole thing squared. A plus B plus C whole thing squared. Okay. Now let's rearrange these terms like this. First, write the 3 perfect squares. A squared plus B squared and plus C squared. After that, write AB and another AB is there. So AB plus AB, what is the answer? 2AB plus 2AB. After that, AC plus AC, right? 2AC. And finally, there are some 2BC terms. Write them 2BC, 2BC. Right? Now, check whether there is a pattern or not. Is there any pattern? So this is the expression A plus B plus C whole thing squared, and this is the expansion. Okay. Now look at the board. A squared plus B squared plus C squared. the squares of the three terms. After that, 2ab plus 2ab and plus 2ac. Okay, here look at this a. First take a and multiply it with b. And additionally, you have to put 2 here, right? After that, a into c. First a into b, and after that a into c. That's it. There are no any other terms. Now, after that, come to b, right? Come to b. B into, no need to consider a again with b, because we have considered it with a and b. We have considered them. So now come to b and multiply it with c. B into c with a 2, right? Additionally, we have to put 2 there, right? So first of all, the squares of the three terms, a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times, additionally put 2, a into b plus 2 times a into c plus 2 times b into c. So that's the expansion. Okay. So that's the pattern. You have to keep that pattern in your mind, and in the problems, in the sums, you can apply it directly. Okay. And the variations. Here, what about this one? A plus b minus c squared. So this is the only formula that you have to remember, right? This is the only formula, right? And apply that formula to any format. When there are 3 terms, here also there are 3 terms, right? And the power is 2 square, perfect square. But the third term, there is a difference between third term. Here the term is plus c, but here the term is minus c. Then what we have to do? Look at the board. A squared plus b squared and plus. Yeah, in the formula, the sign is plus, no? So you have to put plus. But the third term here is plus c. Then we have to put plus c here. But in this one, what is the term? It is minus c. Right? It is minus c. So you have to put minus c there. Right? Now you can write 2 times a into b. Right? 2 times after that a into b, a into not c, it is minus c, right? It is minus c. After that come to b, 2 times b into what? B into, it is minus c, no? It is minus c. And now the simplification part, a squared plus b squared, what happens here? Square of minus c, it is plus, plus c squared. And 2ab, what about here? Here the sign is minus, right? So this plus becomes minus. Minus 2ac, and here the sign is minus 2bc. So no need to remember this, okay? No need to remember this. If there is a minus sign in the third term, this one is minus and this one is minus. No need to remember those things, okay? Just remember this formula only, then you can apply to any variation, then simplify, right? First apply, replace the terms, after that simplification. I will do another one. Now a squared plus, now the second term is minus b. So use the bracket and minus c. 2 times a into minus b, right? A into minus b. After that plus 2 times a into minus c, right? A into minus c. And finally 2 times what? Minus b into minus c. Minus b into minus c. Now the simplification part, a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus 2ab minus 2ac plus 2abc, sorry, plus 2bc, no? Minus minus, it becomes plus, right? So plus 2bc. Okay, I think it's clear. So if you have any issue, please let me know. After that, let's do some sums in the tute. Right. Now let's go to the tute. Second question. Question number 2, expand the followings. First one. So first one is x plus y plus 2z whole thing squared. So again, follow the order, follow the formula, right? X squared plus y squared plus square of 2z. Use the bracket. Now this is not a single term, no? So you have to use the bracket, right? After that, what's the pattern? 2 times x into y plus 2 times x into 2z. 2 times x into y, 2 times x into 2z plus 2 times, now come to y into 2z, right? Y into 2z. Now the simplification part, x squared, y squared plus 4z squared, 2xy plus 4xz plus 4yz. Okay, so that's it. After that, I will do fourth one because there is a minus signs in that expansion, in that sum. So I will do fourth one with you. 3x minus y squared minus z whole thing squared. And now apply the formula. 3x squared plus minus y squared plus minus z squared plus, in the formula always the sign is plus, so just put plus sign. In the simplification part, the sign may be different, right? It will be changed, right? So always the sign in between each term is plus in the formula. Then 2 times 3x into minus y squared plus 2 times 3x into minus z plus 2 times minus y squared into minus z. I think it's okay. Now the simplification part. 9x squared, here what happens? Minus becomes plus and the power becomes plus 4. Here also minus becomes plus. And what about here? What about the sign? The plus becomes minus because there is a minus sign. And here that square is not for minus sign, it is only for y, not for both minus and y, right? It is that square only for y, right? Because the term is y squared, no? And minus sign is outside the power. And the total power is minus, sorry, total sign is minus, and 6xy squared, and here also 6xz and minus. What about here? Plus 2y squared z. So that's the final sign. Okay, now you can try second, third, and fifth. Try. First, write down these. Second, third, and fifth. Just try those questions. right? So second one, two x plus 3y plus 5z whole thing squared. Two times 2x into 3y plus 2 times 2x into 5z plus 2 times 3y into 5z plus 9y squared plus 25z squared +30yz. Right? So that is second one. Check your answers. After that, third one. So first apply the formula, apply the order. Two times a squared b into b squared, a squared b into bc, b squared into b squared into bc, b squared. So here you will get a to the power 4 and b squared, right? Here b to the power 4 and here b squared, c squared. And here 2 times a squared b into b squared, it is b cube, right? B cube. What about here? A squared and b into b squared, and c is there. And at last, b cube into c. 2b cube into c. Right? Okay. After that, try fifth one. Try fifth one. Okay, guys, try both, both fifth and sixth. Not only fifth, try sixth one also. Both fifth and sixth. Fifth and sixth, okay. Right? Okay. Fifth and sixth. A squared plus 2b minus c whole thing squared. Two times a squared into 2b, 2 times a squared into minus c, 2 times 2b into minus c. Okay. A to the power 4, 4b squared plus c squared plus 4a squared b minus 2a squared c minus 4bc minus 4bc. So that's the answer for fifth one. And sixth, last one of the day, minus 3y plus 2 whole thing squared. Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 2 whole thing squared. Last term is 2, not z, this plus 2. Okay, now we expand. First apply the formula 2x squared minus 3y squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times 2x into minus 3y plus 2 times 2x into 2, 2x into 2 plus 2 into minus 3y into 2. 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 4. The sign is minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, xy. And they are 8x, okay? And at last, minus 12y, minus 12y, right? So that's it. Okay, check your answers first. Okay, so that's it for today. And our next cover up session will be on tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, no? It will be started on I think 4 p.m. right? 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. It is also a free session, so you can join. The link will be provided tomorrow. Right. So that's it. Okay, then you can leave from the meeting. Then God bless. Good night.